Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display quality between the Redmi Note 9 Pro versus the Realme 5S device. So if you're watching first time this channel friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description friends for the playlist of wallpapers and other smartphones. So you can find plenty of useful playlist friends, links in description for that. So even if you want to contact me in the WhatsApp, you can find the number in the description as well. And these are my recently uploaded videos friends, so which if you are interested, definitely take a look at the videos. So you'll find very good interesting videos friends. So now let's get started with this test. The Realme 5S comes with a 720 resolution friends in terms of the screen quality, but it has the IPS LCD panel. So whereas even the Redmi Note 9 Pro has the IPS LCD panel but with the 1080 resolution. So in this video I'll be trying to play the same video in both the phones, comparing side by side. So IPS LCD panel versus 720 versus the 1080 IPS LCD panel. So let's compare the same video in side by side friends. As you can see friends, clearly at the moment I am trying to play the same video in both the phones. So we all know that definitely the Note 9 Pro performs very good, but I just want to compare the side by side if you can identify any difference in terms of screen quality 720 versus 1080. Let me try to increase the brightness friends to full brightness. So do comment below friends which display you like the most. So I did plenty of display comparison with other smartphones, and if you are interested, do check the links in description friends for the display comparison playlist as well, so where I uploaded plenty of videos. So you can clearly identify friends which is Note 9 Pro and which is a Realme 5S device, so because of the notch on the screen. So let me try to bring closer to the camera so you can clearly see the colors, so and the quality and clarity as well. So will it make a difference or not in both the phones? And do subscribe to my channel friends for more videos. Let me try to decrease the brightness to 10%. So you can see the Realme 5S started to go very low brightness. So whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pro has a little bit of higher brightness at the 10 level. So let me try to decrease to 5. As you can see friends, in 5% the Realme 5S is completely low brightness. Let me try to decrease to 0 brightness and let's see which phone will be brighter. So both the phones are pretty good doing in the very low light, low brightness situation friends. So this is a test which I'll be doing in all of my display comparison videos. So overall friends, the Redmi Note 9 Pro has definitely will have advantage over the 1080, but this video is definitely useful for the people who are thinking to whether to upgrade to 1080 resolution or choose the 720 resolution low budget mobile, so that you can use for 1 year and you can change again next year because of the low budget mobile range. So for you this video might be helpful friends, and stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.